To be continued. Okay guys, so kuha na to sa tong hair tie. Kuha na to sa tong now mang wash. So pagtapos ana kay magtulog na diretso. So unsa man atong ipili na hair tie kay daghan man. Nay green, nay orange, nay blue, nay daghan na red. Kani akong gigamitan ay kani. So kani akong gamitan. What color pa? I'm gonna get all the red kay daghan kayo red. Okay. Unsa man. My favorite color is red and yellow. You can pick whatever you want basta kung I like. Okay, comment down below na lang. So they pick orange. So let's on it. Now let's put this back. Tapos itahi na to atong bangs, atong buhok. So let's go. Itahi na to. Okay, wait lang. Tahi na to. I don't want to waste my time. Kay 8 na. And pag 8, every 8 kay magtulog na ko. So, mangtahi na ta sa buhok. Let's go. Okay, mana. So, I'm gonna do my bangs. I look fabulously weird. It's always down. It's supposed to be like straight. Okay, whatever. I'm just gonna pull this down like that, and then it's supposed to be. Okay, whatever. Let's just start. Let's get my soap. Asa ng soap? Guys, maghugas lang ta sa atong nawong og teeth. So, mangsugod na ta kay mangtulog na oh. It's already. Hello. It's 9. Okay, nasugod na tabi. So, if you're 8 or 7 years old ba, mauni ang inyong ibuhatan. So, diretso na ta kay we're out of time. So, see you pag toothbrush na ako. Ano na ako nang hugas akong naong toothbrush na sad. Okay guys, I'm done. So this is all for today. So bye.